and gentlemen, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the captain has switched off the fasten seatbelt sign. We advise you to keep your seatbelts fastened during the flight. Please be careful when opening overhead bins during the flight in case anything should fall out and cause injury to you or another passenger. You will find a copy of our travel magazine, Cara, in your seat pocket, and this is your copy to take with you if you wish. The toilets are located at the front and the rear of the cabin. In the panel above your head, there is a call bell, reading light and air vent. For sale today, our Sky Cafe includes a tempting range of food, hot beverages, soft and alcoholic drinks. In your seat pocket, you will find the Sky Cafe menu. Our fresh sandwiches are roast chicken and stuffing, or cheddar and coleslaw, and our hot food range includes ham and cheese paninis and southern fried chicken tortilla wraps. Later on, tax-free Sky shopping will be available, and we have selected a wide range of quality products, including fragrances and gift ideas. You will find more information in your Sky shopping magazine. So now sit back, relax, and enjoy your short flight to Belfast. If you need any help or assistance, please don't hesitate to contact one of us. Thank you.